Hello guys, welcome back to Free Spirit Tarot, Triple V Tarot. I'm Rishale, psychic reader. I read according to my intuition and energies. Before starting this video, I want to thank all my supporters and subscribers who are making this channel grow. Let's do a general collective reading for sign of Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. If anywhere this sign is there in your astrological chart, you can watch this video. This reading is about karma of your ex for hurting you, who is not in contact with you. Let's take a deeper look at their current feeling about you and their karma. It's a general reading. It may or may not resonate. If it doesn't resonate, it's not your story and the messages are not for you. So do like, share and subscribe. I have already shuffled the cards. Let's get started. So how they played you? Page of Pentacle, Queen of Cups. This is Queen of Chalices, but it is called Queen of Cups. And Ten of Pentacles. So here, I think you offered lot of emotions. You invested all your emotional emotions and love towards this person, and you were almost ready for this commitment, this long-term commitment with them. At the end of the day, this person switched from 10 of pentacle. They offered you like a childish offer which was not supposed to come your path. This is what I can see. This person is very immature. They This peacock is just catching up my eyes. Can you see this peacock? So they they played you, I think, with their charm and cuteness. They were supposed to give you this 10 of pentacle offer, like marriage offer, generational wealth, happy family. This offer you were expecting, and they offered you like a friendship or something like that, which you were not at all expecting. That too, they wanted to start it from ground level. So you had invested so much from for them. Can you see this crab? Yeah, there is a crab here. So this, yeah, like you are a queen. You offered them a queen level commitment, love, and they were offering you a page level thing. What is this? You are not on the same page also. So you were very disappointed with this person. You went into your emotions. So this crab indicates that this cancer this cancer person just made you emotional. That is what I can see from here. And you became very sad. You are still very sad and you are still in your emotions. How can they do this to you? That is what you kept thinking about it. And they just walked away with that offer. You didn't accept that offer. You just kept quiet for a very long time, I guess. So this is how they played you. Okay. So how they feel about playing with you now? Nine of Cups, Page of Athemis, that is Page of Swords, and Seven of Swords. This person knew that you were a wish fulfillment, but the truth is that this person is very sneaky. They are just acting like childish. They are not childish. They did you purposefully. They did to you this purposefully. Yeah. And now even they celebrated when they broke off with you. I'm so sorry. For some of you, they knew that you are wish fulfillment. Still they sneaked out because they wanted to explore other options. I can see these flags, behind this person. See how many tents are there. So this person wants to explore their option. So what this person did is they just they just gave you an offer that you would won't accept. This is what this person did to you. This is very mean and this is a sneaky person. And after leaving you, they are still watching you. What are you doing? See their eyes. Can you see that? So this person is keeping an eye on you. What are you doing? They are even doing some black magic. I can feel that they are doing some moon rituals on you so that you get attached to them again and you again give them this love, cup of love to them only. That is what they think, that you are not going anywhere. In short, they think that you are a granted person, you're not going anywhere. So this is what this person is thinking. This is a very childish person. Might be you are having little bit of age difference between both of you, or their thinking is very childish. They might be of 50 age, but they think very childishly, like they are just playing around. That is what I can tell you. They are not ready to settle down. They want to explore their options, and they just played with your emotions, and they kept you in a limbo that they are going to offer you this 10 of pentacles offer. Anyway, what's going on in their life now? In their life, 8 of cups, the green man, the fool. They have walked emotionally, it can be you. They have emotionally walked away from you. They again have started some business or party with their friends and all. Can you see these kids and all? See, they are celebrating, they are enjoying everyday life, and they are going for trips and all, maybe near water or in nature or in forest. So they are just traveling so that they can feel excited. The green man is they are into nature now, and they have emotionally walked away from you. They have not thought about your feelings anymore. They have taken a new start. I'm sorry if I'm hurting you with these words, but whatever cards are showing me, I'm just reading that. So they are happy that they can explore the world. Oh god. Okay. So if they had a third party, if you had a third party in your relationship, if there was anything like third party, can be family, friends, career, anything, or any interference in between your relationship of a third person, or practically a person who was interfering, or there was a love interest of your person who was they were exploring. If you know that there was a third party, this is what's going on in third party. What the truth of third party is that this third party is going to disappoint them very badly. If they had offer if they offer their love to this person is always going to keep them in mind prison. See, 8 of swords. It is like they might even get into trouble and go to jail, because I can see these chains in her hand. Don't take it gender specific, because it can be man or woman, or you take how it resonates in your situation. So it might be that they will offer this cup to this third person with all their passion and their charm and everything, and this person is just going to take their love and run away and disappoint them, as they did to you as usual. Or might be they even can make this person stuck in their head, or they might go into go to jail for some reason. I don't know, I'm getting this. I never saw this chain, I never felt this. See, you can see the hands are tied up here. So they might get into trouble because of third party and might go to jail. It can be their friends or something like that might happen. This four of cup is also telling me that if there were friends involved in this relationship who were um, because here page of sword is there, so if there was some gossip behind your back about you, then these people were making. See, because here also I can see this might be friends also. So these friends guided this person to walk away from you. They might indulge your person into drinking a lot, or drugs, or any addiction, and they might get disappointed. They might get into trouble somewhere, and they might see jail time also. That is what I'm getting here. This is the truth of third party. So how they feel about you now? They feel that 8 of pentacle, 4 of pentacle, chariot. They think that you have closed your door on them. You have closed your door on them. Yes, you think about them, but you have closed your door, and you are not bothered if even they come back. Normally, four of pentacle is not giving your emotions or financial things or anything related to your finances, but here I can see this is like you are trying to be, see, I can see this tortoise here. So I think you are trying to make peace with whatever happened. Yeah, you are trying to make peace with whatever happened, and you are just working on your craft, and you are just not showing whatever money you are making, and you are moving forward. Chariot is again Cancer. So you are moving forward in your life, that is what they are thinking. Yes, you are emotional, they think that you are very emotional about them. I can see this water here splashing up. You are disturbed emotionally, they know that they have disturbed you emotionally. You are very loving and kind person to them, they know that they have disturbed you emotionally. So you have just shut this door on their face, and you are working on your money, and you are least bothered what they are doing. So how you feel about them? Knight of Pentacle. Okay. King of Pentacle and Three of Cups. What you are thinking is that, if for some of you it is like, you know, this husband offer, like this Ten of Pentacle offer. King of Pentacle is typical husband or a person who can provide. So you think that they will come back to you, but it will take lot of time for reconciliation. Three of Pentacle is reconciliation. So you think that this person is not mature. Once they get matured, they will come back to you. That is what you are thinking. But it will take lot of time. So you are just letting it go. That is what I can see. And others, for this was for some of you. And others of you, what I am getting is, you think that this person is just never going to give you commitment. They will keep you stuck, that they will give you commitment, and they will indulge in third party, that is their friends, family, or their career. But they are alcoholic, I think they are getting alcoholic, or you know that they do some, they are into some addictions, that is what I'm getting. So you are just thinking that this person is going to keep you stuck with their offer, like they will keep offering you. This offer will be very slow, or because this horse is not at all moving also. So you think that this person is going to indulge in third party, and you are not bothered about them then. Now, so what's going on with them now? See, Knight of Swords, Standing Stone, and Seven of Pentacles. This person is very money minded, that is what I can see, because all over you are reading lot of pentacles are there. So I think truth about their money, the money they were waiting for. Something is happening with their money. That money they were waiting for has not yet come. They are waiting for their money to come. Or they think that there is no equal give and take. There is no justice in their money. So they cut you off, or they had been rude to you. They are thinking that they are thinking that the truth is that their money is still not in their hand. So yeah, so they cannot get along with you, so they had cut you off. That is what they are thinking. So that because they are not able to provide you, they think this is the right decision they did. That is what they are thinking. So let's see what is their karma. Their karma is King of Pentacle, Seven of Chalices, Ten of Swords. So see here, Seven of Chalices is options. This person will keep on thinking. I can see this wand. He doesn't think logically. This King of Pentacle is a selfish person who will keep this commitment to them. See, can you see? He's sitting on the throne. He's having his wand in his hand, but still he's looking up in the sky and stars. He is into a fantasy land actually. He thinks that whatever he gets, he's never satisfied. So seven of chalices, he'll keep exploring his options, or their options. They will be keeping exploring their options, and they will be constantly get backstabbed brutally, and this relationship, whatever they start with other people, will come to an end, and they will every time will be lost into darkness. And they will remember you how good you were to them. You were like, you were offering love, emotions. You are like a wifey material, like everything you had, you offered them. So whenever they will get backstabbed, and they will get backstabbed at least for seven times, because I can see this seven is prominent here. So, and their spirit guides will keep on telling them, you should go back, you should go back, but they will not listen, and they will explore their options, because they want to change. That this butterfly is telling me that here's a butterfly here, is telling me that they want transformation in their life, they want the best life for themselves, they don't care about others. So they will have all the ultimate what to say, pentacle, whatever stability they want in life they will have, but they will never have anyone who can share that happiness and stability with them. They will keep exploring their options, and they will be getting backstabbed constantly. This is very, what to say, this is very ridiculous thing, because this person will never come to know other than this happening to them. This is very sad actually, because they will come to their this pentacle, whatever they are waiting for. King of pentacle is a stable person, and you also accept that they are a stable person, but they will get all these options backstabbed. Then they will remember you, and then might be whatever you are thinking, like they will come back and have this reconciliation with you, might be this happen. So there will be justice in this situation, whatever is happening around you. Have patience, there is justice, because karma reading, if you get this justice card, that means somewhere, if there was um, unbalance of emotions or something very horrible happening, the situation will be balanced by universe. Let it be karmic, let it be legal, it's a legal or karmic justice. So have faith. So let's see uh, what are the messages for you. Spirit guide, give me messages for my subscriber. Give me messages for my subscriber. Give me 5 messages, as they are not in contact with them. Okay. Why are you trying to make me jealous? It's not working. Okay. Okay. One, why are you trying to make me jealous? It's not working. So as you have shut down that door on their face, they are getting jealous, and they are telling you that they are not getting jealous. I still you regardless of how things seem. This person loves you, but they don't know how to get mature. They are not mature enough to understand what love means. They think that having fun around, traveling, and just hopping with their friends is love, and they are not able to understand what's going on. I crave for your love, attention, and affection. My world is upside down. Yes, of course, they miss you. I don't feel worthy of you. They think that you are a queen level person, and they are page person. Like they feel that you both are not on same page. I know I owe you an apology. It's all my fault. They know what they have done. This person is a sneaky person. They know what they have done with you, but they have not apologized to you for whatever they have done. And here you are, song of my heart. You are my muse. I'm stuck in my ego. Okay, they know that you have their heart. As you know that this person is not mature, they need to get matured, I guess. So let's see what are your advice messages from universe. Let's see what is advice from universe. This is like they are just playing some type of game with you. It is happening like that, and now they just thinking about how to get stable, how their money will come back. That is what I'm getting from this reading. So Cancer, yes, universe guide, give me 3 cards for Cancer. You have taken a better path, but you are working on yourself and your money. So okay, stepping into power. You are strong beyond measure. Wise leader, you're a beacon for others. And embrace enthusiasm. Shout to heaven with happiness. Okay. Here, overcome obstacles. You can overcome anything. Very beautiful messages here. Universe wants to tell you that whatever obstacles you are facing, and you are far more powerful than whatever is going on around you. You can have your own light and you are showing path to others. See, there are people following you. Whatever you are doing, people look up to you. You are a respectful person. You are a wise leader for others. You can embrace the thing, only thing that you can overcome any obstacle. Angels are telling you that you can overcome any obstacle in your life. You should just only think what universe wants to tell you is just have some enthusiasm. Don't be sad. Live in the moment. Can you see these butterflies? They want you to change, and they want to see you happy. Your angel wants to see you happy. You are a very beautiful soul. They can see that you are very beautiful, and you appreciate and embrace things whatever are around you. So you are very special person. Yeah, you are a leader. Moreover, you can go through anything. It is just that you don't think everything according to your emotions. And yes, here, if your person is thinking that you are moving forward and you are making money, this is very good thing. If you are working on your project, business, work, anything related to your career, go for it. You will have major success into it. Just have your enthusiasm. Don't your enthusiasm or your happiness. You should enjoy whatever you are doing and try to put all your focus into it, and you will get whatever you want to achieve. That these are the messages what I'm getting. I hope this resonates with you, and please do comment on this video, so that I can know that where my readings are going and if it really helps you in some way. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe also, so that my channel can grow. For personal readings, do check description box down below. See you soon in next video. Till then, love and light.